If you are looking for a great electric grill that's portable, you could take on the move, you're absolutely going to love this by Techwood. They did send me this so I could do this review for you. So it's gonna be about 18 inches tall, which is a perfect size. Super easy to put together. So how it works is you just plug this in right over here to an outlet, and then you are good to go. You can adjust the temperature. It has the temperatures right over here. You see you got 200, 250, 300, 425, whatever you want to do. You open it up right here. You could already tell it's getting hot. There is a grill piece that you could put up there if you want. You have the adjustment over here. So you want to let that smoke go out, you could do that. You want to keep more heat in, you could do that as well. Really, really like this a lot. Super easy. This is going to be great if you're in an apartment where you can't have a grill, or a place where you just want to take it with you camping. We got some nice handles over here as well. Just really, really nice. And it was super easy to put together. All the screws come on, screwed on the parts. All you have to do is unscrew them, put the piece in, and then put them back on. Really, really like this a lot. So if you're looking for a great electric grill that's super easy to put together, works really well, and you can take it wherever you want, definitely check this out. And thanks for the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.